Hello traders, I hope you're doing well. I just finished my London morning session and I just want to quickly show you guys Euro USD, pound dollar and the dollar CAD analysis as I discussed in yesterday analysis. If you haven't seen that video, watch that video, link is given in the video description. Alright, today is the 31st of March, Wednesday 2021, and let's dig into the system. Just quickly recap guys. These are the intraday analysis alongside with the 4-hour analysis. If you would like to know how I trade and provide live intraday analysis at the same time, watch that video. Link is given in the video description. Let's move into the major currency pairs in Euro USD. If you look at the Euro USD in 4-hour, as I mentioned yesterday, that very strong bearish momentum, and we're looking a pullback short. If there's any pattern developed for counter long trade, we're also going to take a counter trade opportunity. All right, so that's what exactly happened. If you look at the 4-hour, you can see here price develop retest this trend support line. We also had a short trade, we also had a long trade. Let me share with you the intraday analysis, and that's gonna help you to understand it better. You can see here, as soon as I finished my last night analysis, 21:35 GMT time, pullback short, beautiful pullback short. And this morning we had it as always, pullback short, first priority based on the momentum. But I explained to my trader that more likely we're going to have a counter long trade. Normally I wait for the pullback, but this time I say, guys, we have a few other elements which help us to estimate this is a high probability counter long trade. Number one, we had a double bottom in 4-hour. Number two, we have a clear diversion. You can see here, high low and low high. And number three, we have a false breakout. And number four, if the price is going to break this trend resistance line. So we're going to be taking a counter long trade, which we did, and bank beautiful pips on Euro USD. You can see here we had a nice good trade on Euro USD. Let's move into the pound dollar quickly, and I'll show you. If you look at the 4-hour chart, and yesterday I mentioned if the price is going to stay above this level, you can see here, then we're looking a long trade. But I also mentioned about if this candle bullish inside candle pattern is a good sign for the reversal. And as you can see here, price developed double bottom, beautiful long trade and pullback long trade, and also breakout long trade this morning. As soon as the price hit to the resistance level, bank beautiful pips. Let me share with you how I analyze in intraday and how my traders bank beautiful pips on pound dollar. Okay, yeah, last night, if you look at here, let me make it both in one screen so that's much better. Okay, you can see last night and 21:34 pulled back long, and as you can see here, price nicely respected this level. And you can see here, especially when the price retested, and I explained to my trader if the price is going to break this level, taking a long trade, bank beautiful pips. This was the last night. This morning, price developed another pattern. The momentum was bullish, and most important thing is in 4-hour, price developed a double bottom. Previous candle was bearish, bullish inside candle pattern. Price retest twice, more likely is gonna break. And as you can see here, price nicely broken after the breakout. Safest trade based on the momentum, pullback long trade. So we had a beautiful long trade on pound dollar this morning, as I mentioned you, based on the 4-hour market price action, intraday analysis, bank beautiful pips. Pretty straightforward, guys. All right, so let's move into the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, as I mentioned in 4-hour yesterday, if the price is going to stay above this level, which was broken yesterday, then we're taking a long, otherwise short. Look at this candle. As I mentioned yesterday, bearish inside candle pattern, number one. Number two, price could not maintain above the previous high. Good sign. So looking for pattern in intraday and for short trade. And let me share with you the intraday analysis, which I did last night as soon as I finished my recording. You can see here, beautiful consolidation. Most important thing is You can see here, head and shoulder pattern, breakout. After the breakout, pull back, give us the confirmation. Beautiful short trade and price nicely hit to the first target. Beautiful short trade on dollar CAD. So guys, you can see here, based on the 4-hour price action, intraday analysis, bank beautiful pips. This is all happening in real time, where you can watch, with explanations, with the details. And that's what exactly, we do every single day. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. You can see here, we also bank beautiful pips in all the pairs. And if you would like to see all this analysis in the real time, and even if you don't have forex trading experience, as I'm keep telling guys, my objective is to train people with the live market in real time, so they can earn, they can learn, or they can develop the trading skill at the same time. Or even if you are experienced trader, I'm pretty sure this is all price action trading, and you're gonna love it, you're gonna enjoying it, peeping alongside with my professional trader. And if you need any help in forex trading, feel free to book one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. And once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day and stay blessed, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.